I don't remember learning the recycle wrap.
I feel cheated. You know,
Yes.
I'm a meteorologist. I'm a scientist. I should be concerned with things like the recycle wrap.
Well, maybe we'll come up with our own wrap and we can perform it.
There you go. And maybe we can go viral too one day.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, we were talking earlier about the dense fog advisory that is in effect. And one part of the viewing area that expires at 9 a.m., one part expires at 8 a.m. That's because they're issued by two different weather offices. So that's why they don't expire at the same time.
So this morning we need a fog wrap.
You do. We need a fog wrap, and we'll go out there and maybe figure something out. Maybe we'll put it on our Instagram.
Yeah.
I don't want to get your hopes up, though, because I don't think it's going to be as good as theirs.
We'll get the creative thoughts going. We'll come up with something.
There you go. Well, let's take a look at that dense fog advisory. No fog wrap just yet. Let my creative juices flow, and I'll see what I can do for you. So here's your dense fog advisory. Eastern counties, this expires a little bit at a different time. So eastern counties, that expires at 8 a.m. For the central counties, this includes Victoria, Calhoun, Goliad, and Refugio counties. It expires at 9 a.m. What a dense fog advisory means is that this just means that at times visibility can be a quarter of a mile or less. So keep that in mind as you're driving around. Give yourselves a little bit of extra time this morning getting to work and school. Radar and satellite shows a very quiet picture, especially with the radar, but the satellite, you can actually start to see the fog that's in place, very low clouds, and so it's hard to discern on satellite, just a very light gray shading. And once that lifts mid-morning, we are going to start warming up very quickly when the sun comes up. Temperatures, 66 degrees at the airport in Victoria, 65 in Houston, 66 in San Antonio, Corpus, at 69 degrees, so just a little bit warmer down towards the south. Here's Future Track, and I'll put this into motion for you. Not a lot going on, maybe a shower by tomorrow on Thursday, though. So for us today, no rain showers in the viewing area. The clouds, though, starting to build back in by tomorrow morning, and a 20% chance. Well, we were expecting that, but I've lowered that down to 10% for Thursday. So for today, 86 degrees for the high, some fog this morning, then partly cloudy skies once the fog does lift. South-southeasterly winds 9 to 18 miles per hour, so a little bit breezy today. And then for tonight, 65 degrees for your overnight low, mostly cloudy skies, still breezy through the overnight hours. South-southeasterly winds 9 to 18 miles per hour. And then by tomorrow on Thursday, didn't even include the rain icon because once again, we did have it at 20%, but I've lowered it to 10%. 86 degrees for the high tomorrow. We will keep mostly cloudy skies, though. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. For the next few days, next chance of rain, real chance of rain, comes Sunday at 20%. But look at these temperatures. Our average high this time of year is in the lower 80s. We're going to be well above that. We hit 90 yesterday. So I don't know about you, but I would call that hot. Not warm, that's hot.
I was thinking yesterday when I was out running errands, it was pretty warm, I have to say, by the afternoon. And I was thinking, you know, we're kind of getting a taste of what we have to come here over the next couple of months.
You know, Amanda last night, she was talking with Bill and she was saying, Bill, if it's this warm already into springtime, what is the summer going to be like?
Yeah.
So
it's warming up quickly.
Fingers crossed we're not going to be seeing 90s consistently anytime soon. But there is a cold front moving through next week. Drop the temperatures a little bit.
Okay, warm and humid, though. That's South Texas for you.
That's right.
All right. Thanks a lot, Kate. Well,